Wow. Oh my God. I can't do anything. Wow. Aiden trout. Nice one. You're in. Wow. If one of them falls, they actually die. Oh, they're gone. Holy shit, bro. Wow, Aiden. Wow, that was the worm. Alright, go Aiden. Do a better whip this time. Don't hurt yourself. Wow, Aiden. That was sick. I'll go in the middle, never mind. Wow. Don't go fast. Oh, that's sick. What the hell? Oh, that's sick. Huh. That's very cool. Whoa, this is sick. Oh. I don't think they've ever maintained these trails. Wow, that's steep as heck. Yo, where you go? Right here. Wow. Actually, zero traction. Me too. This is cool. very cool. Been on that trail. Oh, been on that trail since last year. Whoa. Ha. Do a big table. Big table. Wow. Holy. Be steezy. Be steezy. That's not steezy, Aiden. Nice. I'm gonna sue you, don't hit me. That was sick. Double suey. Oh, that may no, did not work. Flat table. Oh, it's not flat. Skimmed it. What? Oh, I hate it. Didn't mean to do that. Wow. I'll land about close. Looks like I did it. How silly. Yeah. Whoa. Aiden. You got it, Kieran. Follow Johnny. Wait, is he actually doing it?
Yeah.
Wait, give him a clip.
I know, let's go. You gotta get him a clip too.
Yes.
I don't know the good angle.
Not bad. Wait, Wrecker, is anyone coming?
No.
I'll stand by. Oh shit, go, go, go. Record.
Got it, Kieran.
Yes, Kieran. Let's go. Yes. Yes, Kieran. Let's go. Yes. Finally, it took him long enough.